Let me just grab this glitter. Just 1 second. I'm gonna get it. Just give me one. Oh my gosh. Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome on in if you are new here. Today I'm going to be painting a Galactic nail art look in honor of the new limited edition release of the Orly x Kelli Marissa collab. So to start off, I applied a base coat of Holo Taco's Peely base off screen, and now I'm putting down a base coat of Kelli's antimatter. Now, because I'm going to be doing some sponging in this mani, I'm going to apply liquid latex, which is this bright pink stuff, around my nails to protect my skin from getting polish all over it. Next up, I am going to rip off tiny pieces of a makeup sponge to use for dabbing on the polishes to make the galaxy effect. This is just a regular cosmetic sponge I found at Walmart. It was super cheap, comes in a big multi-pack. They're very helpful for doing gradients or galaxy looks like the one I am doing today. So if you're doing nail art, I recommend getting a pack of these because they can help you out a lot. Okay, so now I'm just placing little pools of polish on a plastic lid to use as my paint palette. I got this idea from Simply Nailogical and how she's always using yogurt lids for polish spill shots. We don't buy the kind of yogurt that comes with a lid in my house, but I have been cooking a lot of breaded chicken for family dinners lately, so I have a lot of empty cans of panko laying around, so I've just been taking the lids for myself and using them for this reason. Okay, so as you can see in my video notes, what I did initially with this nail art look was not exactly how I wanted the galaxies to look. And before I even get into it, let me make a disclaimer and say that I apologize in advance for not getting any of the space and galaxy terms correct. I am not trying to be accurate in terms of what kind of words or descriptions I should be using regarding space. So I'm sorry if I call a galaxy or a star cluster the wrong thing. This is just a nail art tutorial and it's not meant to be educational in that way. Anyways, I got way too excited and enjoyed sponging on the different polishes all over my nail and completely forgot to focus the polishes in more of a line along my nail. Ironically, when I was painting this design, I went and looked up Kelli Marissa's Galaxy nail art tutorial from a few years ago and saw how she made the diagonal across the nail with the galaxy that she painted, which is when I realized my mistake. Of course, if you're making your own galaxy nail art look, you can paint it however you want, but the look that Kelli achieved is what I was going for, which is why I ended up going back in with the dark base polish and covered up the color in the top left and bottom right corners in an attempt to focus the galaxy more in that diagonal going across my nail. Honestly, if you want a proper and good galaxy nail art tutorial, you might as well check out Kelli's tutorial, considering it helped me create this look. Kelli's videos are a lot more concise and to the point than mine. But hey, if you already made it this far in the video, then maybe you enjoy my rambling or seeing me make many mistakes in the nail art looks, but trying my best to fix them. Anyways, I spent so long explaining myself that I didn't get to explain that after doing the initial polish sponging, I used Holo Taco's Not Milky White to very carefully sponge on these star clusters on my nails. Again, please don't come for me for my probable incorrect usage of space terms. I'm trying my best. It's just nail art. I spent a while peeling off the liquid latex. Sometimes it comes off super easily and satisfyingly, and other times it can be a pain in the butt to remove. I put the liquid latex closer to my cuticle for this look because I really didn't want to risk getting any dark polishes in my cuticle area because that is so annoying to clean up. So after peeling all the liquid latex bits off, I then went in with some 100% acetone nail polish remover and a cleanup brush and went to town cleaning up all of the leftover polish mess. This part is also time consuming but oh so satisfying to watch. Look at all that excess polish just melt away. I find 100% acetone to be such a holy grail nail tool, It works so much better for me than the lesser percentage bottles of acetone, or the ones that come with like special oils or whatever in them to help nourish your nails. I feel like those sacrifice efficiency for nourishment, and I'd rather just use the stronger 100% acetone and then just replenish my nails with cuticle oil immediately after, instead of combining the two steps into one, if that makes sense. Another thing that Kelli said in her original video tutorial is that the top coat really brings the whole look together, and oh my god, was she right. Before the finishing top coat, because sorry, we're not quite done with this look yet, I added a Holo Taco. Scattered Holo Taco is my favorite of the original 3 Holo Taco toppers, so that's what I used here. It feels absolutely perfect for a space, galactic, out of this world themed look, and it added a beautiful scattered holo sparkle and really does feel like it brought the whole look together. Once again, I can't quite figure out how to stop talking so much and line up my voiceovers better, so I'm sorry that I completely ignored the actual glitter topper in this collection, but I used the new release, which is Kelli's Constellation, to fish out the star-shaped glitters and place them on my nails, as well as the small silver hollow glitters too. So now it's time for more nail art. In Kelli's launch video, she was talking about these new polishes, and she raved about the adorable packaging that Orly has added to give these polishes even more of a unique and special quality to them. And so, to honor these adorable little drawings and polished packaging, I decided to try my best and recreate some of the characters on my nails. So I chose the little astronaut Kelli and her rocket ship, and also one of the cute little smiling stars from the packaging. While I paint these characters, I think I need to maybe explain who Kelli is. I mean, if you're into nail art and watched this far into my video, I would imagine you probably know who Kelli is, but if not, let me tell you. Kelli Marissa is a nail YouTuber who makes some of the most satisfying and relaxing swatch videos ever. She has been making swatch and review videos for years, and I have been following her work for forever. If I'm ever curious about how a polish will swatch, or wanting to hear an experienced polish lover's take on a new collection or launch, I know I can go to Kelli Marissa's channel for an honest and heartfelt review. It's so cool seeing Kelli have all these awesome opportunities happen to her. Not only has she collabed with Orly once now, but now she's done it twice and released her unique polish trios out into the world, and that is just so cool to see such an amazing, talented YouTuber collab with a mainstream nail art brand. That is awesome. Beyond being a super talented swatcher, Kelli is just a very kind and welcoming person online, and I just think that she has created such a beautiful community within her channels online of nail polish lovers. So I just want to wish a huge congratulations to Kelli for this new launch. Thank you for sharing your work with the world and making such a gorgeous polish collection. And also, huge thank you to Orly for sending these polishes my way. I am honored to be receiving PR from freaking Orly. I really appreciate being able to have the opportunity to use these polishes that were sent to me to create some beautiful nail art. And with that, it's time to add a final layer of top coat and seal these nails up for good. I hope you all don't mind my rambling during this video. I'm still trying to figure out how this whole long-form video thing works for me and what feels right. And right now, I do just kind of like rambling and talking about polish and my painting process, and I hope that maybe you do too. Anyways, here is the final nail art look. As usual, I love how they turned out. I haven't done a galaxy nail art look in so long, so it felt very nice to go back to a classic nail art design like this and try it again, especially when using polishes that are so perfectly designed and themed around galaxies. Thank you once again to Orly for sending these polishes to me. I really appreciate it. And thank you to you for watching this tutorial. I am so grateful that you've taken the time out of your day to watch my little nail art tutorial. Thank you. I hope you are having an amazing day and doing well. If you'd like to, I would love it if you subscribed to stick around and see more of my videos as I continue to create and explore the world of YouTube. You can like this video and leave a comment to let me know what you thought of it. Okay, thank you so much. You can find me on all socials at Haysalto, and that's all for now. Thank you. Bye!